Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Dudene again from KOFFI NOIR, and guess what? We got another unboxing. But before we get into that, I want to talk about our Miles from Africa series or vlogcast, whatever they call it. I want to talk about that component that we just launched. So Miles from Africa essentially is going to be me vlogging and sort of taking you around, different parts of the Bay Area where I live at, and showing you the different, black-owned luxury brands that exist. Ultimately, Miles from Africa is a conceptual idea that I thought about when it comes to the style, fashion, sartorial world. Like, I really wanted to be very intentional about highlighting the different black creatives in the diaspora that are doing things around fashion, that are creating quality products, that are using their brand in a way to, affect social change, whatever their mission is, and whatever contributions that they are adding or bringing to the table when it comes to the fashion world, the style world, the men's world, menswear, sartorial, whatever lane that you fall within or whatnot, timeless style, etc. I really want to highlight those brands that are making contributions, right? And ultimately, at the end of the day, the goal is to make sure that you are seeing faces like ours that are making these strides within their specific fields. Me, as a luxury footwear designer and brand owner, this is important. This is how folks find out about different brands that are doing some really dope work. And then also too, if you are aspiring to be in the fashion community, if you are passionate like me with menswear, you're able to see your face and your stories also being included as part of this whole community. And ultimately, that's what Miles from Africa is striving to do. So you can check out my first vlog from this past weekend on the KOFFI NOIR channel. Just type in Miles from Africa and you'll see our first vlog coming up. So with that, check that out. Add your comments. Let me know what you think I should have done, things I could have improved on. It was my very first vlog. Also, please excuse my voice. It was like terrible this weekend. I was dealing with, some illness or really just my allergies. And next thing you know, my throat was hurting. So didn't understand that, but I digress. Check out Miles from Africa, and really stay tuned. Also, you can find other components of Miles from Africa on our website, where I have a directory that says Black Luxury, and you can see all of the black menswear luxury brands that I support. You'll see tailors, haberdasheries, folks that have sneaker companies, folks that have tailor suit making companies, also folks, quite frankly, that are even providing accessories and things like that. You can find all of that there. And then also too, under Miles from Africa, you will see blog pieces talking about various things, from artists to folks that have written books, even some social justice stuff in there as well. All this stuff matters when it comes to really highlighting all the work that we are doing and the way that we're doing it, right? Ultimately, I care about a lot of these things, and more importantly, I want to do it in style. So yeah, check out Miles from Africa. And without further ado, let's dive into this shoe unboxing. Boom. This is the KWESI Belgian sneaker. Yeah, so this was a custom order. This was actually part of a 2-shoe custom order that a client made about 2.5 months ago. The Luke Double Monk came before this sneaker. He was trying to have this before the bachelor party. I wasn't able to guarantee that would happen. Again, our shoes are made in Spain, so there's no telling, what's happening in the process, how long it's going to take. But usually our shoes take about 2 to 2.5 months. Or if the shoe comes early, then that's a really good thing. Sometimes there might be a delay because they need to source the materials or whatever it is that's happening back there that may cause it to take a little bit longer. So the shoe finally arrived today. I like how it turned out. You know, as you guys can see here, you see that full grain leather. Yes, that's some real quality leather right there. Super nice. You have the leather bow. The client opted for red lining, as you can see here as well. Super nice. And then also opted for a black outsole and khaki suede on the upper. Man, this is butter right here, I must say. Yeah, I like how they turned out. They look super nice. Super excited, you know, to deliver this shoe to him. He really wanted something like this. So, you know, being able to, you know, design something that he likes, that he's going to wear, that's super awesome. One thing I do want to make sure to mention about this sneaker, even though this sneaker is, or what I would consider a spring, summer sneaker, you can wear this in the fall as well. Again, because of the quality of the materials, this is suede, this is, you know, calf leather up here, full grain calf leather with leather lining and everything like that. You know, in the fall, you know, this time of the year, you're going to see a lot of earth tones. So a lot of taupes, browns, nudes, hella greens, you name it. All little cream, off-white, like that is the color you usually see during the fall time, along with the navies, your burgundies, your jewel tones, right? Your turquoises, all those colors as well, along with the earth tones. So this is a great choice. You can wear this in the early part of fall and, you know, still have a really nice quality, sturdy, you know, well-built, you know, sneaker, you know, before the harsh part of the year comes, when winter comes. So yeah, I mean, I look forward to seeing him style this sneaker, what type of outfits he puts together, and more importantly, you know, I just want to see, you know, his reaction and his smile on his face. So yeah, these turned out really good, I must say. Again, this is our Belgian sneaker, our KWESI Belgian sneaker. Full grain leather, khaki, well, I'll say like a swamp green, but it's listed as khaki green suede, full grain leather and black sole with the red painted lining. Another thing I want to show you guys too as well before we get out of here is our new dust bags. Boom. So with these dust bags, right, like, you know, this is a suede dust bag. I don't know if you guys can see me put it up close. Yeah, this dust bag is made of suede. So, you know, it got a real nice, soft, you know, feel to it, or whatnot. And you're gonna see KOFFI NOIR on the bag. Again, you know, I'm really trying to make sure that when anyone receives a pair of our shoes, that they're having a super dope, you know, unboxing experience, right? That's ultimately what I want. And, you know, these suede dust bags is just another part of, you know, making that a reality. You know, expect to see these with your order. But yeah, that was our unboxing for today. If you guys have any questions, comments, you know, please share it in the comment section below. What do you guys think about the KWESI Belgian sneaker, you know, in this colorway or whatnot? Would you make something like this, or would you make something different? You know, let us know. Yeah, and then basically I'm gonna go get ready to get sent out this afternoon. If you guys are interested in making a pair of shoes with us, please feel free to contact us at info@koffinoir.com. We will respond to you like super quick within a day. You know, I mean, we've been super responsive lately because a lot of folks have been hitting us up about, you know, making shoes for them for their weddings or birthdays and things that are coming up, or before Christmas. So yeah, you know, we got you guys covered. But yeah, in the meantime, I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace. Us at koffinoir.com. You can email us at info@koffinoir.com. Also, you can find us on Instagram at info@koffinoir. And yeah, if you want something, hit us up. We got you. Until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.